Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a red color circle or oval in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now select tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option and click on this drawing tools, and here you will find this circle option and draw a circle and see this, and I'll make it red color and click right button, and here you will find this properties, and this circle border color I will make it red, and this is fill color I'll make it red color, and see this and select OK. Now you can see this circle font size increase decrease, and now you can move in here. This is a red color circle, yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.